what are the taxes for capital gains in this geography matter? This is from Paul. So, yeah, it's a capital gains from a Portugal point of view. What are the taxes for, I guess, for an asset within Portugal versus an asset outside of Portugal, maybe?
But the question is some asset in specific. I was not sorry.
So no, Paul didn't mention any particular asset. Stocks. Okay. Yep.
Stocks. Okay.
Yeah,
Securities is okay.
Yeah,
So in general, the general rule would be that in case of securities, stocks, for example, in Portugal, the capital gains deriving from the sale of stocks abroad would be subject to taxation for now, at least at a flat rate of 28%. And those capital gains, for example, stocks in the US, would not benefit from exemption under the NHR regime. Okay.
So, and stocks from within a traded company from within Portugal.
Okay, the same rule applies. So capital gains are taxed at 28%. There may be specific companies that are treated as small companies that we can get a relief of 50% of the capital gain.
Okay, that's fantastic. And just as kind of like a health warning for those who are planning, there is discussion with policymakers in Portugal to raise that 28%. So basically 20% is a concessionary rate. And so capital gains will be taxed like ordinary income, which would move up to 40-something%, correct?
Yes. So the rule foresees that the sale of securities held for less than 1 year, so day trading and similar transactions, would be subject not to the flat rate of 28%, but to the progressive tax rates applicable to the overall annual income of the taxpayer. And this will enter into force in 2023.
So as in this year, so next year, we'll be doing our tax returns for this year. We're going to be hit by, for short-term capital gains, we're going to be hit by...
No, only capital gains after the 1st of January 2023.
Oh, 23. Okay, gotcha. Right. So it'll be 2024 looking back in 2023. Gotcha.
No,
okay.
No. So until the end of the year, any transaction would be subject to the 28%.
Yeah, and it's similar to the US. We have this concept of short and long-term capital gains as well, with short-term capital gains being taxed at ordinary tax rates, but long-term capital gains enjoy a reduced tax rate.
In fact, there are two criteria. The first one is to be considered short-term, and then the second one is the annual income of the taxpayer above 80,000 euros. So, if we met these two criteria, then the capital gain will be subject to the progressive tax rates.
Okay, wonderful.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.